Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to create a quiz using a Microsoft quiz. Okay, today we'll make a quiz just like that. I have created this form. You can see over here the component of computer diagnostic test, and this is the section number one. In section number one I have written student name. Then there is a static over here. It means that it shows that it's a mandatory. Without filling this form, this first section, you are not going to proceed to the section number 2. Okay, so in the section number 1 you have to enter student name, full name, roll number, ERP number, class, section, and the current date. When you click on it, calendar will appear. Okay, so let's click on preview. These are the questions that I have made. So click on preview, and in the preview this will look like this form. Quiz for Microsoft form is look like this one. You cannot proceed without filling all these fields. It's required. Okay, when I click on submit without filling any entry, without typing any data in these text boxes, click on next, you will get error. This question is required, this question is required, and all that it will appear over here. Okay, the same way where when student will fill this data, then they need to select the date as well. I've made this form just like that, and the another form I'm going to show you another form. Okay, here we have I have created this form. End of topic test computer science 2210 class 90 second term, and here is the first section in which you will get student full name, roll number, class, and section. And in the second section there are the different answers and the questions. Time allowed is 30 minutes, multiple choice questions, and these are the correct answers that I have selected over here. That's how you can make this form for the students during class assessment. You can share with the students or end of unit test, to assess student knowledge at the end of the class, to get their responses very quickly. Okay, you can utilize this form effectively in your classes. Okay, and here's the responses. When you click on response, you will get all the responses that student, for example, student fill this form, and the responses will appear over here, and their average score. And then you can even download the Microsoft Excel file for their record. You can even show them in the class as well, and keep as a record of the student student assessment. Okay, let's click on preview, and in preview here's the first form. There is a user and preview. When student will log in with their official account, they will get such kind of interface at their end. Look here, the second page is not appearing unless they will fill all this form. When they click here, then they will get these errors because these are the required fields. Without filling these fields, they are not able to proceed. For example, I'm going to write here Faisal Jaleel, my full name. I'm going to now enter my roll number or ERP number. Let's say my roll number is just like that, and class, let's say 990. Okay, and now click on next. Now I'm able to solve these questions. Okay, in binary system, when a switch is on, position can be represented by 1 or 2. On is 1. Okay, in binary number system, off can be represented by 0. Okay, 8 bits are usually referred to as a byte, 2 bytes, none about this byte. Then when you fill this form, at the end you need to click on submit button. Send me an email receipt of my responses. Click here. Okay, and here is your mobile view, and here is your computer view, and here is your mobile view. You can even open this in your mobile phone as well. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let me go back. Computer science diagnostic test. and you can even change its theme as well. Just click here and you can select the theme. For example, I've selected this one. Now go back, click on question papers. Okay, here's the theme. Okay, when you click on preview, you will get the theme just like that. Okay, now let's start how to create this form. First of all, open a Microsoft Edge browser or Google Chrome browser, then click on tab, new tab, and just type here office.com, enter. Okay, click on office.com and then you will get this interface after sign in with your official account, Microsoft account, and then click on top left corner, click here app launcher, and now from here you can open any app. So I'm going to click on, because I'm going to create Microsoft form, so you need to click here. And now here we have to design a quiz, so you need to click on quiz. When you click here, you will get a new form or just a new quiz. I want to create a quiz for the assessment of the students. Click on it. First we will create a form. First section in which we will get the student name, section, class. Okay, so let me set this one first. So title of the quiz is what? The components of a computer. Done. Okay, now select this, and now when you select this, this menu will pop up. Click on bold, apply bold. If you want to underline it, you can underline, italic, and you can even change its color. You can increase the font size. I've selected large, medium, and small. Go for the large one. Okay, now you can even add image as well. Insert image by clicking over here. Now what's the description over here? So let me write here the components of a computer. It's a diagnostic test. Okay, then here you can mention the school name. Okay, fine. Now next is I want to add preview it. Click on preview. How it look like? The component of a computer diagnostic test. Okay, fine. Go back. Give a space here. Now check. Now it's fine. Okay, now if you want to change its theme, you can click here, click on theme, and you can select here anything that you like. Pink, blue. Okay, go back. Okay, now let's add questions here. First section. So first section is I'm going to select the text. You can even select date, rating, text, choice, file upload, section. So I want to create a section over here. So first section is section number 1. In section number 1, I want to get the student name, full name, done. Okay. Click on new text. Kindly fill this form carefully. Here's a note for the student. So let me click on preview. Kindly fill this section carefully. Enter new text. In question, I have to type the student name. So yes, it's a required. Yes, required. Okay, now next one is add another section. So select text. Now roll number slash ERP number. Okay, fine. Okay, now go back. Yes, it's required. then add another section, text. Now class and section. Class, so we'll enter their class over here, required, and section, not here. Let me add a new, click on new, text, so right here, section. Let me write a class name, and here is your section name. For example, T/C, just like that, and it's required, done. Okay, section number 1 done. So let's click on preview and check this. Component of computer diagnostic, that's the city school. Okay, kindly fill this section carefully, student name, roll number, class. First section done. Okay, when you click on submit button, let's see what will happen. Yes, you will get an error. It means that this field is mandatory. Okay, now go back. Now click on add. I'm going to add another section. Click on this drop down, add a section, section number 2. Now here we have to add the question. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. Okay, here's the question. So let me select this, make this bold, make this bigger, this size. Okay, you can even change its color as well. So which color? Let's see what it look like. Not here. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. Okay, fine. Now let's add questions here. So I'm going to add a text. Question number 1 is what the computer components are also known as what dash, fill in the blanks. Okay, now enter your answer over here. Yes, answer required. So they can leave this answer as well, so I'm not setting this as a required. So correct answer is, you can see it's a hardware. And points score, it carry 1 marks. Okay, fine. So let's add another one. Let me click on preview, back. 1 point question I have already included in this section. Okay, the answer is hardware. Okay, next question. Let's add another question, text. Okay, next one. Okay, a computer is useless without what? So let's write a correct answer over here. Software. System software. Yes, we can say is operating system. Add another answer. As capital system, software, or software. We can say it's it carry 1 marks as well. So next question, click on new, text. Again I'm selecting text. The common example of computer hardware are, what are the common example of computer hardware? So correct answers: monitor, keyboard, system unit. Next, now I'm going to add multiple choice questions. So click on choice. Okay, multiple choice. Option number 1 is input, output, let's say storage. Okay, now select the correct answer. So correct answer is this one. KG a dash display displays monitor DVDs. Okay, the right answer is monitor. That's how you can create your form. Okay, now let me click on preview. Okay, let's enter the name, student name. For example, when I will share this with my students, student will fill this form, and what kind of output we will get. So enter the name first and select roll number, then class, section, click on next. Now this will appear just like that. Okay, now let's fill this form and get the result. The computer components are also known as dash. Yes, let me accept right here. Hardware. Okay, a computer is useless without software. Okay, G. A common example of computer hardware are keyboard. The keyboard is a dash device. Input, output, yes, input. The button on the keyboards are called, let's say, hardware. Okay, the dash is also called a pointing device. Let's say, let me make mistakes over here again. So yes, this is called pointing device. For example, I'm making mistake over here. The dash control all the activities of computer system. Which one? RAM, ROM? Yes, microprocessor. The dash display the result of what we do. Yes, speaker. I have three mistake. I have made three mistakes over here. This one and this one. Let's see when I will submit what kind of result we will get. Click on submit. Thanks for your response was submitted successfully. Now click on view to check your result. Click on view. You got 5 out of 8. Okay, hardware, yes, I got full marks here, full marks over here, yes, full marks over here, yes, cross. Okay, this one is wrong. Correct answer is mouse. Correct answer is keys. Here, correct answer was what? Yes, microprocessor. Go back. Okay, now I will click on go back. Now let's suppose, now click on response. Okay, I got one response, and that's how you get the result. And this is your percentage. Just like that. Okay, now what if I want to download the result? You can even review the answers. Review. Click on review. You can change their marks. For example, I want to give award him marks. Yes, Imam her marks. You can change it from here. But right now, it's fine. Okay. Then you can click on submit. After that, delete the responses. Print responses, post score. Okay, click on print. And using this one, you can download the result of individual students. Save as PDF. Okay. Now, but as now I want to share this form. Click on back. Now I want to share this in with my class fellows, with my students, with my colleagues. So click on share, top right corner, share. Now here you can change this setting, only people in my organization respond. Anyone, when you click on, anyone can respond. So anyone with this link, whenever they will get this link, they can submit their form. Okay, specific people in my organization, these are the settings that you can set. Okay, and then you can get a copy of this link, click on it, and then you can share with your friends and family members. Okay, share as a template, get a link to duplicate, and all that. When you click here, you can even get the duplicate, you can create its duplicate. This link is ready for to paste. Okay, now I'm going to click on cognitive mode, let's paste it over here, enter. If you want to share your form with your colleagues, you can do what? You can just share this duplicate copy, click on duplicate it, you need to click on duplicate, and then here you have to sign in with your official account, with Microsoft account, and then you are able to create its duplicate copy. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share as well. Thank you very much.